I don't give a fuck, man. No, man, it ain't none of that. You know what I'm saying? I don't need disrespect. I need this fucking job, man. That's what I need.
Said I grew up doing bad shit. Police all on me like my ad-libs. A different type of grinding when you have kids. So we gotta get it for them. All night until the day break, this is for them. Taking trips, no shorts, bought them blue or green bucks. On that Greyhound Peter Pan bus, giving no fucks. I'm a motherfucking savage. Just bought an 8 from finna deuce it with a bad bitch. Young OG still keep my money in the man.
Yeah, y'all already know who it be. Punchline KID. Right now I'm pulling on that live circuit. I just tried to, get the job, but, they ain't give me the job. But, we in here. Shout out to Serve for the office space and, Gutter Films. That's what we doing, man. Savage video is coming to you soon. Had to get real snazzy for y'all, for my employment situation. But, we about to take all this off. And, we about to get busy, man. Watch us work, man. You watching? Live circuit. Log on. Yo. Said I'm a motherfucking savage. Just bought an 8 from finna deuce it with a bag.